My name is Virgil White. I'm the fire chief of the South Charleston Fire Department. I've been in the fire service for 35 years and a member of the South Charleston Fire Department for 28 years. Our department of 52 firefighters, our city is approximately 11 square miles, and it consists of a major interstate, which is Interstate 64, and two main state highways, which is very high traffic areas. We respond to hundreds of auto accidents on our major highways every year, which distracted driving, speeding, and impairment are three of the main causes, and that's the hazards that we face. No matter how many emergency lights you have or with the sirens blaring, a lot of people don't pay attention for one reason or the other. So it's very important that we can have every tool to our advantage. That's where the Safety Cloud comes into play. By having the Safety Cloud, it does give us another tool in the toolbox by warning the drivers ahead of time that there's an incident or we're approaching them. Safe driving is everyone's responsibility. That is why we have also installed the responder to responder on all of our apparatus. This will ensure that when multiple units are responding to a call, that early alert is going to let everyone know that they're close to each other and they need to start paying attention to avoid a collision at an intersection. People are alerted, they begin to slow down. Even if someone doesn't have those navigation tools in their cars, once somebody else starts slowing down, they're going to slow down. I feel that this has increased the safety for my firefighters and the people driving.